Hi, it's Gabby here for Crafty Gabby, and I'm going to make a card using FAWN stamp set that is called Octopi My Heart. I'm going to color my cardstock in, that is going to be my card panel, in with my distress oxide inks in Broken China and Salty Ocean. I'm going to use the darker color for the bottom of the C, and I'm going to try to blend the colors very well. After that, I will spray with water sorry, and I'm going to wait like 10-15 seconds, and then I'm going to dry that up. And after that, I'm going to add a little bit of shimmer and white acrylic paint, splashes of white acrylic paint, and I also going to add splashes of distress inks in dark blue. It didn't do much, but I like the way it looks. Now I'm going to stamp 7, I think, of these octopus. I stamped more than that because some of them were like weird stamping and they don't look that good. I color them with my copy markers. You see the colors on the top of the screen that I use for each octopus. I paint them in the color of the rainbows. After I finish coloring, I'm going to die cut them all 7. I still think there are 7. I'm going to arrange them in my card panel, and after that I'm going to stamp the sentiment. Of course, I cut what is hanging out of the card panel, and I will add my sentiment after that. I'm coloring the little heart that I stamp in with red copy marker, and I'm going to glue my card panel to another panel. It's cardstock in blue, and after that I'm going to add googly eyes or wiggly eyes on each octopus. And after that, I'm going to add some jewels embellishments on the card in 3 different colors. And I'm going to place my card panel in my card base that is just white cardstock. Oh, I also add a little bit of blush in each octopus with my pastel chalks. I made a second card cutting this octopus but I previously stamped octopus in a car base, sorry, in a car panel, and I partially cut the tentacles and made my background and color my octopus with post-it paper while I'm doing my background. Then I take the post-it paper out and I color my octopus with my copy markers. Then I glue everything to another car panel in blue. That way the holes look like they still blue like the ocean. Then I will glue the octopus that don't have the white border in top of the each color to make them look a little bit more dimensional. This I didn't film this card at the beginning because it was just a try out to see how the partially cut it will look, but I think it worth a shot for different way to make the same card just with a twist. In this card, I did pretty much to the same that I did to the other card. I add the same sentiment and everything. I add some jewels, but I didn't glue the googly eyes. I just add irresistible picot embellishment or embellisher in black. It looks shiny and it's a little bit dimensional. I like the way it looks. After I glue everything, this card is pretty much done. The only twist was that I partially cut the tentacle of the octopus. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope you like them on the next card. Goodbye.